Homemade ice cream sandwiches are a nostalgic summer treat, perfect for cooling off. Made with chocolate cookies and your favorite ice cream, they are a classic treat that everyone's gonna love. These decadent treats are better than any store-bought option, perfect for keeping you cool all summer long. Let's get right into it.
First, let's add our softened butter to the bowl. We want to mix the butter with the sugar until it's light and fluffy, which should take about 3 minutes. Turn off the mixer, scrape down the bowl, and add the cocoa powder.
So before we turn our mixer on with all that cocoa, I'm going to cover it with a towel so we don't have cocoa all over everything but in the bowl.
Scrape down the bowl before adding the flour. The dough looks great, but before we can roll it out, it needs to be chilled in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Place the dough in plastic wrap, flatten it out a bit, and into the fridge it goes. Once the dough has been chilled, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Before rolling, I'm dusting the counter with a 50-50 blend of cocoa powder and flour. Not only does this keep the dough from sticking, it keeps the cookie wafers a deep brown color. I want these chocolate wafers to be nice and thin, so I'm rolling them to 1/8 of an inch. As you can see, the dough starts out a little stiff. Don't worry if the dough cracks. We can work around it and then re-roll the dough to cut more out. I'm using a 3-inch round fluted edge cutter, but use whatever you have on hand. Into the preheated oven they go for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove ice cream from the freezer and let it soften for 5 to 10 minutes. Spread the softened ice cream into silicone molds and place it back into the freezer to firm up. Remove the cookies from the oven. Allow the cookies to cool completely on wire racks before assembling the ice cream sandwiches. When cookies are cold, remove the ice cream from the mold and place it on the underside of the cookie. Place a second cookie on top of the ice cream and press down gently. Serve immediately or wrap with plastic wrap and place it in the freezer to enjoy later.
And there you have it, homemade ice cream sandwiches, the perfect summertime treat or anytime that you're craving something cool and creamy. Thank you for watching the Baking Journal, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.